Oh, how I've missed you and neglected you. After being with all those JDM cars at Adam's open house. It's time to give you some love, baby. Gotta be honest, I had a lot of fun in Florida, but it does feel good to be home. And boys, mustache check. Looking pretty good. It's been days, Brew. Where you been?
I've been lost.
Everyone was asking where you were the whole entire trip, and I had to be like, oh, he's at home playing games. That's what I just said.
That's what you said?
Yeah.
You could at least say that I'm on Twitch.
Okay, well I think that's implied.
Twitch.tv/Calvin.
I think that's implied at this point. But they missed you.
It's not though.
I know you're not watching the videos, but everyone there has been seeing the daily growth here. I think everyone's impressed. I think at this point, I kept getting hosed in the comments being like, Adams is better than TJ's, but Adams had like months, you know? Like this is a couple days. I'm new in the Muzzy game. But I'm out here looking fresh.
To be fair, you're looking like a cop. So, I
don't take that as an insult though. I almost take it as a compliment.
No, it's a compliment, because cops always have full, bushy mustache.
I'm okay with this.
You look like a cop.
I'm okay with this. But it's a slow moving day. My ribs, I kind of told you guys when I fell in that trailer.
He told me about this and I'm like, you should probably go to urgent care.
Dude, my ribs are really bad. I don't know, they're not like that bruised anymore, but the pain has gotten worse over the last 5 days.
Alright, Mama Mia, welcome back, RX-7.
I don't really want to wrench on anything car release today because I'm tired and I literally got back last night, as you guys know.
Broken ribs, so.
I don't have, you can't just start proclaiming that I have broken ribs.
Hey, Teach, on the bright side, you know, if you lose that floating rib, you can do...
One thing, as it's been kind of raining on and off the past few weeks here in San Diego, one thing that I wanted to do today, and we're gonna be taking this thing home and finally to stretch our legs a little bit. And we found the fender liners in this car. So we're gonna throw those in and get these on the car before we take it home today.
A little throwback to the old junkyard days.
Yeah.
Looks like you got a little nick there on your wheel. They're both gonna beat up. I love these lug nuts, dude. Never. I'm thinking about it, dude.
Dude, I really want to get new wheels to the Supra.
Which one?
I don't know what to get. I don't know.
The Mark Feezy or the Mark?
No, Mark 4.
Oh, the Mark. Oh, I see.
Like, I love these. I think these TEs in blue are like. I don't think they're the best looking wheel out of all the wheels that I own, but I think they're the best looking combo out of any of the cars.
For that car?
No, like.
Oh, just this
My
like.
favorite wheels that we have are the C106s, A3s, and the Mark 5. But the TE37s, Mac Blue, on the white RX-7 are my favorite wheel combo. I don't know. It's just the coolest in my opinion. I don't know why. So we're gonna be putting these fender liners in, and Adam LZ hates fender liners.
Why? Wait, I never understood the meme. It's been 7 years.
The meme was, there was one video where I was like, oh, like, I don't want to drive the car without fender liners. Because like, I didn't want to like, look, like, and this is like this car, one of the reasons why I don't drive in the rain is because we just have this hole going everywhere, right? So like. And
this will get all dirty.
Yeah, I'm just like, I don't want to get that all wet and dirty. Like, I'm just weird like that. And on some cars, we run none of them, but usually more protected. And he like thought it was so funny. So he was like, oh, TJ Hunt likes fender liners or something like that. Because I do. I like keeping it clean.
Yeah, keeping it clean. Keep the bay clean. Look at that bay.
He just liked to hose me.
I think that's the other side. Yeah, oh yeah. Let me go find those clippies. Oh, get it. You might have to give it a little snip. Oh wait. Oh no.
No.
You don't have to give no snips.
No, we just gotta like.
Oh no.
Oh, there it is, right there. Give me a clip.
We're going for like not 100%. We're going for like we good %. You know? Like long hole or?
Is that supposed to be on the outside like that?
Clippy in there. Oh, that's so easy, Teej. Oh, don't do that one. Oh, that's a tough one, Teej.
Really not much of an install in, but I will say it's very satisfying to have it in there. Wow, the lighting did not really adjust.
Wow.
Fender liners are in there.
I think it's the peace of mind.
It is. I don't know. It's just nice to have those in there. They're like in it just enough where I think they'll hold themselves in, but hey, fender liners are important.
Never put your fender liners in there. Oh man, these are clap biscuit.
Watch this.
They're so clippy.
Well, I don't want to do it because I don't know if these will work. I've never changed windshield lever.
They should be the same length.
They are. I googled it. It's a 20-inch blade. Oh, that's a J hook.
J.
H.
J.
Under the H. It's an H clip. Look at the photo. You like, oh no. I think I'm, whoa.
Vlogmas, everyone. Okay, all right. Perfect. Now give her, oop. Wow.
This is where the RX-7 is the worst car to drive. When it's in like stop and go traffic, we're in like a couple miles an hour and then stop. A couple miles an hour and stop, right on the freeway. And it's where like I just draw the most attention possible because this thing is just chugging smoke because of the premix. If there was ever a time where a cop would want to mess with me, it would be driving this car at this moment. Thankfully, I've always been pretty lucky and knock on a shift knob that nothing happens today. And especially because I haven't been driving this thing very much lately, it has a lot of white smoke that's coming out, more than normal, which isn't a bad thing. It's just, what I'm usually told is the seals don't expand enough, and sometimes like it just takes a while to burn off all the gunk that's on them to get them to expand again. So usually for the first like hour of driving, if the car's been sitting for a bit, it's like extra smoky. Rotary life though, totally worth it. Do you want to tell the people what we're gonna go do today?
What?
Do you want to tell the people what we're gonna go do today? I'm zooming in on your face.
We're getting another puppy.
No, don't say that. That's not funny. Speaking of that,
kidding.
Hi buddy. He runs away.
Cody, what are we doing tonight?
Sabrina, tell him.
We're going to get a Christmas tree.
We're very late to the game.
And we don't know where to put it. Help.
We don't have any space in here.
TJ thinks, you go tell him what you think. TJ thinks we should get a super tall, skinny one and try to fit it in between.
No, I don't. I think that we should put it over there and Kona's oversized dog cage should go on the stairs. Sabrina wants to put it right there, right next to the stairs, and it has to be a super skinny tree.
What if you just call my dog oversized?
Were you supposed to be Kona? Is that what that?
Yes.
That was your impression of Kona? It's like a deeper Sabrina voice. It didn't fool me at all.
Okay, if he had a voice, what do you think it would be?
Hello. He's special. He's a special boy.
Hello. Hello.
We're gonna go get a Christmas tree tonight, and normally last time we filmed it and the time before that we went and we did a video with it on the BRZ. I was considering doing the RX-7 Christmas tree type of thing, where like we bring the RX-7.
We should. I told you to, and I told him to. And
really, I was just gonna say no. I was gonna be like, we like could, but like
No.
I don't want to.
We should. I'm doing it for you guys. We should.
Just scratching the paint. And the BRZ was wrapped, so I didn't really care at the time because it was a wrap, but like
Wait.
the RX-7's painted, we would just like scratch the paint. We're gonna leave after I finish up this episode of Vlogmas, which has been pretty tough so far. I think there's only been 2 days as of right now, and you guys watching this video, where I haven't uploaded due to like traveling or whatever. It's not because I didn't film it, it's because I simply just wasn't able to get the video up in time, which kind of sucks. The mustache is looking really good right now. Sabrina, what do you think of it, honestly?
What?
What do you think of my mustache? You could say you don't like it.
I'm embarrassed to admit that I do kind of like it.
Okay, I was gonna say, because off camera you tell me you like it. Don't try and tell me you don't like it.
No, I'm honest. No, I do like it, but I'm embarrassed to admit it.
Why?
Because you look stupid. I like you with a little goatee.
I will never do that. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up. Shout out to Sour Strips.
Wait, if this video gets 20,000 likes, TJ has to grow a full-on goatee. I don't know how many likes. How many likes? Come on.
I don't know.
Come on, 7,000? They can do that.
That's like, well, no, we'll do like, we're not gonna play this game. We're not gonna play
20,000.
this game. We're not playing this game.
Wow.
This is officially a tradition. Once you do something 3 times, it becomes a tradition. This is a tradition. We go to the same one
This is a long time.
every single year. What?
Oh, that's a good one.
I've been coming to this Christmas tree lot. This is still, and this is now, it's like 20 minutes away from where I live now. I've been coming to this one since I can remember. It means a lot that you come here. No, what? What? Big T Strapping down the tree. Definitely gonna have to double check his work. Oh, look at that, doing a fisherman's knot that he learned back in Cub Scouts in '82.
This is the angler swoop right here.
Oh, told you.
You pull that through. Then you go like this. You want to key in up here and watch the cinch.
Oh boy. We've unplugged the tree, but it looks good. There's no other place to put it this year. Can you guys remember back to Vlogmas when we used to have the tree in the apartment and we only had it with blue? Now we have it with this maniac of a dog. Hello.